Hey everyone, quick update today. Phaser Editor pricing is changing in October, and if you use it for game dev projects, you'll want to know what's coming. Phaser Editor is moving to a simpler two-tier model. The first tier, Pro, this will be $29 a month, which gives you full editor access, updates, and community support. The second tier, Enterprise, this is going to be $99 a month and includes everything in the Pro tier, plus priority support from the Phaser Studio team, single-payee systems, and early access to Pro tools. If you're already subscribed, good news. You're grandfathered in at your current rate, there's no change for you. But any new subs or upgrades will use the updated pricing. Now here's something important. If you've never tried Phaser Editor before, you can actually test it out for free for 30 days. It's a great way to see how the tool fits into your workflow before committing. And if you're just getting started, I've got a few videos on the channel that'll help you dive right in. If you're just getting started with Phaser Editor, I recommend checking out the beginner's guide. This will do a crash course on how to make games with the tool. If you're interested in script nodes, I recommend checking out my script nodes crash course, where we break down how script nodes work and why they're so powerful in Phaser Editor. Then, if you want something more hands-on, I have a number of tutorials where we build different types of games. Some of these include Memory Match, Whack-A-Mole, and even Infinite Jumper. And in each of these tutorials, we build a game step by step using Phaser Editor. I'll drop links to those in the description so you can get started right away. So what do you think about the new pricing? Is $29 a month a fair deal for the indie devs? Or do you think it might make it harder for smaller teams to adopt the tool? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. If you've been thinking about subscribing, now's the time to lock in the old rate before October. And if you want more Phaser news, tutorials, and dev tips, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update. And if you'd like to support the channel, I've got a Ko-fi page. The link's in the description. Every coffee helps me keep making these videos. Thanks for watching.